Zippo hand warmers. They're awesome product. The day you're ready to use it, you pour in the amount of fluid up to the line. You take off the cap. You take the pourer. You pour in your fluid. You put the cap back on. And you light it. Put your hands over, you feel the heat. You put the cap on. It may take up to a minute to get warm. We'll do the same thing for this one. We'll warm it up. As it generates the heat, we're already at 95 degrees. We'll put the cap on, put it in a container, and let it lie down. We have emergency fuel carrier for Zippo. It allows you to get a few more hours of use. It comes with a hook, a keychain, a little square thing, and a plunger, a cap cover. That is optional. While this is laying down to the side, it may not work. It's at 100 degrees. With the one in the back standing up, it registered as almost 120 degrees. There you go. Nice and hot. It is safe to put these things in your pocket. It is safe to do a lot with these. Let them burn out. When you're ready for the next day, refill. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're 116 degrees. And it's safe to keep in your pocket. You grab a towel or something and you deactivate it.